How to find email, new posts, notifications, settings on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find email, new posts, notifications on SoundCloud mobile. First thing, go to SoundCloud and here you will find library. Click on it and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and here you will find settings. Click on it and then click notifications and scroll down until you find this one here, email email notifications, and here you will find it, new posts by followed user, and then you can turn it off or on, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.